The new generation of the world's best-selling SUV is around the corner, and it's bringing a full load of novelties. New styling, more luxurious interior, updated powertrain, and other upgrades are here to improve the model's already excellent position on the market. Stay with us to find out 7 reasons why the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 makes competition obsolete. Number 7. Going all hybrid, no more gas-only models. The 2026 RAV4 marks a bold shift in Toyota's approach to powertrain options. Toyota has decided to discontinue the gas-only version completely, making the entire RAV4 lineup hybrid-powered. In fact, the previous 2.5-liter gas engine with 203 horsepower will no longer be available, as Toyota focuses on what has become one of RAV4's strongest selling points. The standard hybrid system uses the familiar 2.5-liter 4-cylinder platform with updated electric components. The power output increases to 226 horsepower for front-wheel drive models and 232 horsepower for all-wheel drive variants. Additionally, the changes include adjustments to throttle response and overall refinement of the driving experience. Essentially, the RAV4 gets the same treatment as the Camry did with its last redesign. The plug-in hybrid version receives attention as well. The new RAV4 PHEV comes with an impressively improved battery pack that provides over 60 miles of electric-only range compared to the current model's capability. This extended range covers most daily commuting needs without using gasoline, while still offering the flexibility of hybrid operation for longer trips. This all-hybrid approach positions the RAV4 differently from competitors that continue to offer conventional gasoline engines in their compact SUV lineups, and we have no doubt it will further solidify its position on the market. Number 6. Bolder and more aggressive look. Moving on to aesthetics, the exterior design of the 2026 RAV4 introduces striking changes while maintaining the model's recognizable presence. Toyota has updated the styling with exciting new design elements that align with the brand's cutting-edge design language. The front end receives the most noticeable changes, incorporating Toyota's bold hammerhead design approach. The eye-catching C-shaped LED headlights create a distinctive appearance that helps identify the vehicle. The grille features a dynamic honeycomb pattern with a wider stance that transforms the RAV4's visual impression. The side profile retains the current model's proportions with added character lines and more defined wheel arches that emphasize its SUV character. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar connects the taillights, bringing the design in line with current automotive trends. Toyota has balanced familiar RAV4 styling cues with new elements. The evolution includes more squared-off edges, a more vertical D-pillar, and an overall bolder stance. These changes update the RAV4's appearance while maintaining brand recognition and visual continuity with the previous generation. A perfect mix, some would say. Number 5. New tech features that improve functionality. When it comes to technology, the 2026 RAV4 brings impressive updates to its offerings, addressing areas where the current model has fallen behind competitors. The new model focuses on revolutionizing the technology interface and adding features that enhance everyday usability. Display sizes increase across the lineup, with base models now equipped with a 10.5-inch touchscreen and higher trims featuring an impressive 12.3-inch unit. The infotainment system has been completely redesigned, replacing the previous software with a much faster system featuring crisp graphics and intuitive menu organization. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity comes standard on all models. Higher trim levels offer a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information displays. Furthermore, voice control functionality has been revised to better understand natural speech patterns and respond to conversational commands. Practical technology upgrades extend throughout the cabin. All RAV4 models will now include USB-C ports with faster charging capabilities, wireless charging pad, and smartphone integration that enables digital key functionality. Available features on higher trims include a head-up display, customizable ambient lighting, and an upgraded JBL audio system. Number 4. Safety Sense 3.0 takes driver assistance to new heights. On the safety front, the 2026 RAV4 introduces the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, replacing the outgoing model's 2.5 version. This major update brings substantial hardware and software improvements to the RAV4's safety and driver assistance systems. The hardware receives updates with higher resolution cameras, enhanced radar sensors, and improved processing capabilities. These changes enable more accurate detection of potential hazards and refined system interventions. Pre-collision system improvements include better detection of pedestrians in low-light conditions and enhanced recognition of cyclists approaching from various angles. Lane recognition technology has been updated to identify not only lane markings but also road edges and construction zones, reducing false alerts. Adaptive cruise control has been refined to provide smoother acceleration and braking patterns while maintaining distance from vehicles ahead. The new proactive driving assist feature offers steering and braking support in situations such as navigating curves or when pedestrians are detected nearby. New to the RAV4 is traffic jam assist, which make this SUV capable of handling acceleration, braking, and steering at speeds below 25 miles per hour. Additional safety features include front cross traffic alert, intersection collision avoidance, and updated blind spot monitoring, expanding the safety capabilities of the RAV4 platform significantly. Number 3. Interior design at premium level. Perhaps most noticeably, interior design receives a complete transformation in the 2026 RAV4 redesign, addressing one of the more common criticisms of the current model. Toyota is bringing a fully redesigned the cabin with dramatic changes to layout, materials, and comfort features. The dashboard adopts a striking horizontal design theme that emphasizes the interior width. Soft-touch materials cover more surface areas, with premium aluminum accents and authentic wood trim options available on higher trim levels. The interior color palette expands with additional contrast stitching and sophisticated color combinations. Seating comfort improves with revised cushion density, bolster design, and overall support. Meanwhile, upper trim levels replace the synthetic Softex material with genuine leather upholstery featuring perforation for better temperature regulation. It looks like for the first time the RAV4 won't have problems with the cabin noise. Reduction measures include additional sound insulation, thicker acoustic glass, and improved sealing to address wind and road noise. Also, the hybrid system operation has been refined to reduce the characteristic drone often associated with CVT transmissions. Interior storage solutions have been reconsidered, with updates to the center console design that incorporates wireless charging, repositioned cup holders, and a redesigned storage bin. The cargo area maintains its current capacity of 37.5 cubic feet behind the second row, while adding more tie-down points and a 120-volt power outlet for increased versatility. Altogether, we can say that all these interior changes bring a comprehensive update rather than minor adjustments, bringing the RAV4's cabin more in line with current market expectations. Number 2. Redesigned but with proven technology. Despite all these changes, the 2026 RAV4 wisely balances fresh features with rock-solid mechanical components. Toyota has built the new model on a carefully revised version of the proven TNGA-K platform that underpins the current generation, maintaining bulletproof engineering while allowing for exciting updates. This approach means core mechanical elements have benefited from real-world refinement through the current generation's production cycle. The chassis, suspension layout, and basic powertrain architecture continue with targeted improvements rather than complete redesigns. For consumers, this represents a balance between new features and established reliability. The 2026 RAV4 delivers updated styling, technology, and performance while retaining the fundamental engineering that has proven successful in the current model. Even the hybrid powertrain, though updated for more efficiency, builds upon the existing architecture rather than implementing an entirely new system. Toyota has focused on refining successful elements while adding improvements where needed. This methodology differs from competitors that might introduce completely new platforms with each redesign, offering instead an evolution of tested technology that reduces the likelihood of first-year production reliability issues. Number 1. U.S. production and competitive pricing. Finally, an important aspect of the 2026 RAV4's market position is Toyota's game-changing production strategy. The company is moving RAV4 production to Kentucky, representing a major shift in manufacturing location driven by several key factors. Facing potential increases in import tariffs that would affect pricing, Toyota has opted to manufacture the new RAV4 in the United States rather than importing it from Canada and Japan, which is the case with the outgoing model. This decision allows Toyota to maintain price points similar to the current model while incorporating the updates mentioned previously. The base hybrid model will start at around $32,000, aligned with current pricing after accounting for inflation. As for the plug-in hybrid version, despite its improved electric range, it's about to start around $44,000, positioning it competitively among similar vehicles. This pricing approach contrasts with the industry trend of substantial price increases with each model redesign. Toyota's bold strategy of delivering remarkable updates while maintaining familiar price points offers exceptional value in a market where affordability often decreases with each new generation. U.S. production also addresses availability and delivery timing, potentially reducing wait times compared to imported models. The combination of domestic manufacturing, competitive pricing, and the updates detailed above positions the 2026 RAV4 to maintain its strong market presence. However, the next generation RAV4 isn't the only big novelty coming from Toyota for the next year. Check out this video about the upcoming 2026 Toyota models, which you can now see on the screen. The world's largest automotive maker is bringing a whole set of brand new vehicles, from advanced EVs to resurrected sports car icons from the past. Thanks for watching and see you next time.